Hey guys, it's Brie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. These are old and new products. Some are older that I haven't used in a long time. A lot of the newer products that I have recently bought and haven't tested out too many times, so I wanted to give them a try again. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell, and if you want to get ready with me, just keep watching. Okay guys, so today I'm just going to be doing a get ready with me. I'm going to use some older products that I haven't used in a while and some of the newer stuff that I've recently bought and trying them out again, seeing if they work any differently. So my face is washed and moisturized, ready to go. I already have my eyeshadow done and that video will probably be up first, so I will link it down below. But for primers today, I'm going to go in with the Tatcha the Silk Canvas Primer and the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. This one fills my pores a little bit more, so I'm going to focus that on my pores, which is mainly right here. I am having breakouts right here for some reason, so that's really fun. Then I'm just going to take the silk canvas and kind of put that everywhere else. For foundation today, I'm going to go in with the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. I just tested this out in a foundation wear test and I really liked it. I can link that video down below if you want to check it out too, but I really liked it. And I am just buffing that out with my Morphe M439. Might have put too much on me. I actually think this is a pretty good shade match for me. I have the shade Sand Beige, which is 030. Pretty sure this is like the third shade out of 4 shades that they have, which is kind of a joke. Just taking any excess that's on the brush and building it up onto my cheeks. Then I'm just gonna go over the top of that with my sponge. For concealers today, I'm gonna go in with the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Concealer in Fair and the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in Fair Neutral. This one's a little bit lighter. This one is a lot darker. Look at the difference between those. So I'm gonna focus this right on my inner corners. I do like a pretty bright under eye. And then using the Flower Beauty for the rest of my face. Add a little bit of it to right here. Yeah, look how much deeper that is. And I'm just gonna blend that out with my sponge. Before I go in and blend out my under eyes, I'm gonna get my powder ready. So I'm gonna be using the NYC Smooth Skin Loose Face Powder. I don't even think NYC is even around anymore. This was such a good powder. I feel like it was so underrated. I never saw anyone using it. It was $3 for this whole thing, and it was my favorite powder for a really long time. So I'm gonna test it out again today and see if it still looks as good as I remember. I'm going to take the Luxie 522 brush and just pick that up. I have to set my concealer right away. I already have creasing. I just always do, and if I don't want it to crease anymore, I need to set it right away. I think that looks really good. You see my creases? They'll just never not be there. And I also have quite a bit of texture under my eyes right here that will never go away. So then just picking up my Morphe E41, I'm going to pick up some more of that NYC powder and set the rest of my face. I used to bake with this powder. I haven't baked in a long time. I kind of want to try baking again. I haven't baked in a really long time. I'm going to dip into the Smashbox Holidaze contour palette. I mainly bought this palette because of the packaging. It is so cute. I'm one of those people that definitely gets sucked in by good packaging. But also, I don't have a ton of Smashbox products. I don't know why I never reach towards those. I'm never like pulled in by that brand, by any of their products. I think I have a primer and a primer spray, and I think I might have like a liquid lipstick, but other than that I don't really have a lot. So I got this one, and it comes with, it has highlighting powder, contour powder, and soft lights. So I think the three middle in this middle row are mattes, and the rest have shimmer in them. But I'm gonna take this contour shade right here. It's so weird because I've really been liking this Luxie 680 Pro Precision Face Brush. So I'm just gonna take that. Look how like precise that is. I think it just does so good. Yeah, I really like that contour shade. I've used it I think 4 times now, and I really like the way that it goes on, the way that it blends out. It is really nice. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I think I only used this 1 time, so this will be the second time I'm using it, and we will see. I cannot remember what is like my favorite bronzer brush. I know I use the multitasking powder brush from Eco Tools a lot, but I don't know if it's like my favorite. I can't remember what I used to use. I'm just going in lightly. I feel like this brush might be a little too big. So, did you guys come up with any New Year's resolutions? I don't ever really like do that. I don't like come up with resolutions. I just try to do better. Wow, I think my base is looking really good right now. This year we want to buy a house, move into hopefully our forever home, and that's like our biggest that we want to do this year. I want to get better at doing my makeup more often. If I'm not filming or if I don't have something very specific to go to, I like never have my makeup done. I never do it, and I would like to get into it more. It's hard too because I stay at home, so I really don't go out and do anything. I don't go out anywhere. I'm at home with my kids most of the time. I really would like to get better at doing my makeup more often. And then also I would like to push myself to not do the same types of looks. I know it's hard because there's only so many different like styles of eyeshadow that you can do. I really want to push myself to try to really be creative with my eyeshadow. So those are a couple that I want in 2019. I would also love to, I'm gonna go in with blush. I'm gonna use the LA Girl Just Blushing blush that I just recently got that I haven't used yet. So I just opened this one. This is Just Playful, and I really love these blushes. But anyways, another thing that I would love to do is focus and try to grow my YouTube channel. I want to stay really consistent with uploads. I'm pretty consistent with my 3 uploads every week, but there are some times that I don't upload those 3 times. Wow, I just went really heavy on the blush, but I think it looks really pretty. I love these blushes. If you're like afraid of blush like I used to be and you don't like that look, and some other ones are just too bright and intense for you, these LA Girl Just Blushing ones, I have Just Natural, this one's Just Playful. I think I picked up one other one that's like really intense, Just Fierce or something like that. That one's too intense, but these ones that are really light and very toned down, they are beautiful. They're really easy to work with. I love these so much. For highlighter, I'm going to try out the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter again. I've only used this one time, so. But that is one thing I would love to focus on this year, is trying to grow my channel. Yeah, that's really pretty. I'm so happy this came back. I was so sad that I didn't buy it when it first came out, and then it was sold out forever. So happy it came back. I have like a nice little zit right there too. So fun. Yeah, I like that highlighter. That is gorgeous. I'm gonna take that Smashbox contour and the Beige Cosmetics 104 brush. This is my favorite brush for contouring my nose. I'm like obsessed with how my face makeup turned out. I think it looks so good. I love it when you have a good makeup day. For lipstick, I'm going to take one of the new ColourPop Luxe lipsticks that I bought. This is in the shade Appy. Ooh, that's too pink toned. Hold on. When in doubt, I'm going to take the Lorac Highly Pigmented Lipstick in Minimalist. When in doubt, that is my go-to lipstick. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go finish up my eyes really quick and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I finished up my eyes and this is the finished makeup look. My makeup looks bomb today. Like, my base makeup looks so good. I love when I do my makeup and my base just comes together and it just looks super good, super seamless. All of these products worked amazingly. I'm so excited about that. I think that my base makeup just looks really flawless today. I love when that happens. It's such a good day when your makeup turns out flawless. Like I said, I did film this eye look, so I will link that down below if you want to check it out. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. I post 3 every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.